जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम सैयद तैमूर बुखारी है और मैं रीडाइट से खुशामदीद कहता हूँ। आप जैसे आप लोगों को पता है कि कल CSS 2022 का रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर हुआ एंड टुडे आई हैव विद मी आरफा बतूल। और आरफा की CSS 2022 के अंदर 16th पोजीशन आई है। आरफा के बारे में मैं आपको ये बताता चलूँ कि आरफा जो है ऑलरेडी PMS 10 से एंड शी इज़ सर्विंग एज सेक्शन ऑफिसर इन होम डिपार्टमेंट पंजाब। और अभी चलते हैं आरफा के पास और उनसे पूछते हैं कि हाउ इज शी फीलिंग। तो हाउ आर यू फीलिंग एट द मोमेंट?
Assalamu alaikum everyone. First of all, I want to say Alhamdulillah. Then I am feeling very blessed, very grateful, and I have no exact word to describe my feelings right now. Alhamdulillah.
ओके अच्छा आरफा ये बताइएगा कि जो है ना आपने CSS की जो है ना सिलेक्शन के बाकी चीज़ें बाद में करते हैं, आपने ऑप्शनल के अंदर केमिस्ट्री रखा हुआ था।
Sir.
वो केमिस्ट्री रखने की क्या खास वजह थी और डू यू रिकमेंड कि और कैंडिडेट्स भी केमिस्ट्री को रखें या ना रखें?
Sir, as far as my subject selection is concerned, actually I have degree in chemistry. I am even PhD in chemistry. So that's why when I was opting for any subject, I thought the chemistry is even my subject. So it will take very less time to prepare for that. And as my preparation continued, the bond between me and chemistry went very well. And even this subject is quite scoring. When I was in the paper, at that time I explained that chemistry is a very good option in a sense because it gives you a good exposure as well, the science being implemented in the CSS subject. Second one, it is more scoring subject, and I definitely recommend each and everyone to opt for it. If they have any natural sciences background, then chemistry is the best option because it is a scoring subject at all.
अच्छा मुझे याद है जब मेरे तो पहली दफ़ा आई और इंग्लिश ऐसे के लिए और रिटन की तैयारी के लिए, तो उस टाइम आप PMS ऑफिसर थी।
Exactly.
तो मुझे ये बताइए कि ऑलरेडी आप सर्व कर चुकी थी, सर्व कर रही थी, 1 साल हो चुका था और एक लंबा जर्नी PMS की प्रिपरेशन भी की होगी आपने, उसके बाद CSS की प्रिपरेशन करी थी। तो मोटिवेशन क्या थी इतने लंबे अरसे तक अपने आप को मोटिवेट रखने की? क्या वो रीजन है जिसकी वजह से आपने मोटिवेट रखा अपने आप को?
I got only one good quality, that is the determination and perseverance.
Yes,
and
it
this
is.
is the only quality that is, because of that quality I am here. I was actually serving as lecturer in higher education department. I prepared for PMS during that service. Then while in the PMS, I prepared for a CS exam. That is my self-motivation. That is my determination. Whenever I pass by mirror, I see myself and I see I have much more to do. Why I'm sitting like this? Then I came from office and start opening book and reading through it. And this is what I feel that this is the main thing that I have and I own this. That is the determination. That's why I'm here.
ओके और उसके बाद रिटन की तैयारी के बाद जब रिटन क्वालिफाई हो गया, वी हैड अ कन्वर्सेशन, तो उसके बाद आया इंटरव्यू की प्रिपरेशन। और इंटरव्यू जो थे वो ड्यूरेशन थोड़ा लंबा हो गया था क्योंकि चेयरमैन FPSC नहीं थे, काफ़ी टाइम उनको लग गया। तो इंटरव्यू के अंदर प्रिपरेशन के अंदर आपको क्या लगता है कि व्हाट द कैंडिडेट शुड डू, यानी जो 52nd CTP के लिए आएंगे और जिन लोगों का भी क्वालिफाई होगा उनको क्या चीज़ें करनी चाहिए, इंटरव्यू के लिए कैसी तैयारी करनी चाहिए?
I would suggest two important things. First of all, after the written result, we all are so happy that we think that each and everything that we have already in the mind before the return, and when the result is declared, all got vanished. We have to start preparation once again. And the second one is that at that time there was for our case, that is 51 CTP, there was a more time lapse because as the Sir Taimoor has mentioned that the chairman FPSC was not decided and that way the interview time linger on. For that, I have to keep myself motivated through this, that I have passed one step, then I am still in the marathon and I have to run. That is the only motivation that is with me, and I continued my preparation. For the aspirants that are coming to be, and I wish all of them good luck, that is, you must stay motivated. Motivation is a self-generated. You must be motivated in a sense that you are in a marathon till the outcome of the final result, and in the marathon you can't even stay for a second. That is the only thing that you have to do in your life to achieve each and everything, whether it is a CSS exam or anything that you wish to be.
Thank you very much, Arifa. We will have long and complete interview Arifa as well in coming weeks because now she has to rush towards his hometown. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz and Assalamu Alaikum.
Thank you so much.